All right, here's an unboxing of the FlexScale weighing scale by FlexNet Nest. So the scale tracks a couple of different things, including body fat and more, and it has an app. So it looks like it's made in China. All right, here we go. Here it is. It's pretty well packaged. And in the box you get the FlexScale. We'll put that aside for now. And there is a user manual. All right. It tells you to install the battery cells and download the app. And it shows you how to pair it. And you have 3 AAA batteries. All right, looks like there's nothing else in the box. So let's take a look at the FlexScale itself. All right, so it comes wrapped up. Let me just try to get this plastic off. There we go. And it has a tempered glass surface. And it's pretty glossy. And on the back has your compartment for your battery. So that is it. That is the FlexScale by FlexNest. And I'll go ahead and get this paired and continue in a bit.